From ancient rainforests to vibrant coral reefs, Malaysia is a tapestry of life, a symphony of nature across diverse ecosystems. It's a land where towering trees pierce the clouds, exotic creatures roam free, and warm waters teem with marine life. Today we journey to 5 unique locations where nature's beauty ignites a passion for conservation. These are the breeding grounds for natural talent in environmental science, biology, conservation, and ecotourism. Join me as we venture into Taman Negara, scale Kinabalu, dive into Sipadan Island, marvel at Langkawi Geopark, and explore Bako National Park. These are living classrooms and outdoor laboratories, a testament to nature's power to inspire. Get ready to be captivated by stories of dedication and discovery. This journey will leave you in awe of Malaysia's natural heritage and hopeful for our planet's future. Our first stop is Taman Negara National Park, deep in peninsular Malaysia. This park is a treasure trove of biodiversity, offering a glimpse into the natural world as it has existed for millions of years. Imagine a world untouched, a realm of ancient trees witnessing millennia. These trees have stood tall through the ages, their roots digging deep into the earth, anchoring a forest that has seen the rise and fall of countless species. Taman Negara, one of the oldest rainforests on Earth, is a living laboratory. Here, the past and present coexist, offering invaluable insights into the evolution of life on our planet. Here, environmental science comes alive among towering tualang trees and tangled undergrowth. These giants of the forest provide shelter and sustenance to a myriad of creatures, each playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. Every rustle, chirp, and flash of color tells a story of adaptation and survival. The rainforest is a dynamic environment where only the fittest thrive, and every species has carved out its niche. Students and researchers from around the globe immerse themselves in this natural wonder. They come to Taman Negara to study its unique flora and fauna, hoping to unlock the secrets of this ancient ecosystem. They study the intricate web of life and learn from indigenous communities. These communities have lived in harmony with the forest for generations, their knowledge and traditions offering invaluable insights into sustainable living. Tracking the elusive Malayan tiger or following a clouded leopard shapes a generation of conservationists. These majestic predators are symbols of the rainforest's health, and their presence indicates a thriving ecosystem. The forest floor teems with a hidden world of insects, each playing a vital role. From decomposers breaking down organic matter to pollinators ensuring the survival of plant species, insects are the unsung heroes of the rainforest. Ants march in determined lines and beetles shimmer like jewels. These small creatures are integral to the forest's health, their activities maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. High above, a cacophony of birdsong fills the air. Birds play a crucial role in seed dispersal and pest control, their vibrant plumage adding to the forest's beauty. Young minds come armed with notebooks, eager to understand this complex ecosystem. They document their findings meticulously, contributing to the growing body of knowledge about Taman Negara. They witness the impact of climate change and study predator-prey balance. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for developing strategies to mitigate the effects of global warming on the rainforest. Their work is about finding solutions to ensure the survival of this precious ecosystem. Conservation efforts are vital to protect Taman Negara from deforestation, poaching, and other threats. Taman Negara is a symbol of hope and inspiration for those who believe in coexistence. It stands as a testament to the possibility of humans living in harmony with nature. As the sun sets, one feels awe at the majesty of this ancient place. The fading light casts a golden hue over the forest, highlighting its timeless beauty. Taman Negara reminds us there are still places untouched by man, where nature reigns supreme. These sanctuaries are vital for the health of our planet, offering refuge to countless species. It is a place of immense beauty and profound importance. Protecting Taman Negara is not just about preserving a forest, it's about safeguarding a legacy for future generations. Our journey now takes us to Mount Kinabalu, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, renowned for its breathtaking landscapes and unique biodiversity. Imagine a mountain rising dramatically from rainforest-clad foothills, its granite peak piercing the clouds. This is Mount Kinabalu, a place where the air is thin but life is diverse. The mountain stands as a beacon of natural wonder, Here, evolution has resulted in a staggering array of endemic species. From pitcher plants to vibrant orchids, the flora here is unlike anywhere else on Earth. Kinabalu Park is a symphony of colors and scents. Trek through montane forests, the air cool and crisp, invigorating your senses with every breath. As you ascend, the vegetation changes dramatically, showcasing nature's adaptability. Kinabalu Park is a testament to isolation driving evolution. The unique conditions here have led to the development of species found nowhere else. For biologists, it's a chance to study the forces shaping life on Earth. Discovering a new species or studying rare birds ignites a passion for biology. Scientists study complex relationships within ecosystems and the impact of climate change. The mountain serves as a living laboratory. As the sun sets, one feels awe at the diversity of life and dedication of scientists. Their work is crucial in understanding and preserving this natural treasure. Kinabalu Park reminds us of the interconnectedness of life, where every species plays a role in the ecosystem, and the importance of conservation. Protecting this unique environment ensures that future generations can also marvel at its wonders. Our journey now takes us to Sipadan Island in the Celebes Sea, a place renowned for its breathtaking underwater landscapes and rich marine biodiversity. Imagine a tiny island ringed by a vibrant coral reef teeming with life. The colors and diversity here are unlike anywhere else on Earth, creating a mesmerizing underwater paradise. Sipadan Island is a beacon of hope for coral reefs facing unprecedented threats. Climate change, pollution, and overfishing have taken a toll on many reefs, but Sipadan stands resilient. Conservation here is a way of life. The local community, along with international organizations, work tirelessly to protect and preserve this natural wonder. Once on the brink of collapse, Sipadan is now a marine conservation success. Through dedicated efforts, the reef has seen remarkable recovery, becoming a model for other conservation projects worldwide. Dive into a world of color, where schools of barracuda swirl and green turtles glide gracefully through the water. The underwater scenery is a testament to the island's thriving ecosystem. Sipadan Island is a haven for marine biologists and conservationists. These dedicated individuals study the reef's intricate dynamics and work on innovative solutions to protect it. They monitor the reef's health and track marine life, ensuring that the delicate balance of this ecosystem is maintained. Their research is crucial for understanding and mitigating the impacts of environmental changes. Restoring damaged coral and collecting data on fish populations are crucial tasks. These efforts help to rebuild the reef and ensure the survival of countless marine species. Sipadan Island is a place where anyone can connect with the ocean. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a first-time visitor, the island offers an unparalleled opportunity to experience the wonders of the marine world. The conservation success is a testament to collaboration. Local communities, scientists, and conservationists have come together to create a sustainable future for Sipadan's reefs. As the sun sets, one feels hope for the future of our oceans. The efforts made here inspire a global movement towards marine conservation. Sipadan Island is a beacon of hope and an inspiration for conservation. Its story shows that with dedication and collaboration, we can make a difference. It's a place where the passion for the underwater world is contagious. Visitors leave with a renewed sense of responsibility and a deeper connection to the ocean. Our journey now takes us to Langkawi Geopark, a UNESCO Global Geopark. Imagine islands sculpted by time, their limestone cliffs whispering tales of the past. Langkawi Geopark is a place where Earth's history is etched into the landscape. Here, ecotourism offers a chance to connect with Earth's history. Kayak through Kilim Karst, Geoforest Park. Mangrove trees rising like sentinels. Explore ancient sea caves adorned with stalactites and stalagmites. Langkawi Geopark is a geologist's dream and a haven for ecotourism. Sustainable tourism initiatives are woven into the community. Visitors are encouraged to respect the environment and support conservation. Learn about traditional fishing techniques and participate in beach cleanups. Langkawi Geopark shows that tourism can contribute to conservation. As the sun sets, one feels peace and gratitude for this harmonious place. Our final destination is Bako National Park in Borneo. Imagine a rugged coastline where rainforest meets the sea. Bako National Park is a giant in terms of biodiversity. Here, natural talent flourishes amidst tangled vegetation and exotic bird calls. Bako National Park is a training ground for aspiring naturalists. Track proboscis monkeys and observe bearded pigs foraging. It's a haven for wildlife photographers and birdwatchers. Spot a rare Bornean hornbill or glimpse a flat-headed cat. Research and conservation go hand in hand here. Scientists study biodiversity and monitor threats, assist with wildlife rehabilitation, and contribute to conservation. Bako National Park is a call to action for protecting wild places. As the sun sets, one feels gratitude for this natural treasure. As we conclude our journey, we're left with a sense of awe and responsibility. These 5 locations have ignited a passion for conservation in countless individuals. From Taman Negara to Sipadan Island, these hotspots are living classrooms and research laboratories. They shape the future of conservation and inspire the next generation of environmental stewards. Malaysia's natural talent hotspots are beacons of hope. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Explore these incredible destinations and support conservation efforts. Subscribe to our channel for more adventures and tell us which location you'd love to visit. Until next time, keep exploring.